Love traveling widely? Then you must know all these advanced level English idioms and phrasal verbs related to travel. Winter is here and so is the Christmas vacation. Many of you are going to your dream vacations this year, but to you, learning English is also a priority. Then why shouldn't you learn all these advanced travel idioms before you go out? Check out with me how many of these travel idioms you know. Let's start with the first one. The first one is hit the road. Hit the road means to start or embark on a new journey. To start or embark on a new journey. For example, we are going to hit the road next Sunday. We are going to hit the road next Sunday. The next in our list is on the road. On the road means while you are traveling. While you are traveling. For example, I don't see my mailboxes frequently on the road. I don't see my mailboxes frequently on the road. It means when I'm traveling, I do not do many of the office related works. I don't check my emails frequently. The next idiom is travel light. Travel light means when you take less number of baggage. When you carry less of your luggage. For example, I prefer traveling light while going to long destinations. I prefer traveling light going to long destinations. Remember, the less number of luggage you take, it is comfortable for you to carry to the long destinations. Next in our list is off the beaten track. It means going to offbeat places, going to places that are not much crowded or known to the world. For example, my brother loves to visit places off the beaten track. My brother loves to visit places off the beaten track. Next in our list is make a pit stop. Make a pit stop means making sudden stop for resting, for using the loo, etc. while you are traveling. For example, we need to make a pit stop within an hour. We need to make a pit stop within an hour. It means that we need to stop for rest in an hour. Number 6 in our list is live out of a suitcase. It means people who love traveling and literally live like a nomad. People who love traveling and literally live like a nomad. Some of my friends live out of suitcase. Some of my friends live out of a suitcase. It means they travel so much, they really and hardly stay at their home. They almost are traveling long the month. The number 7 in our list is catch some rays. It means to get some sunshine. For example, it is hard to catch some rays here in winter. It is hard to catch some rays here in winter. The last idiom of today's travel video is get the travel bug. It means traveling too much, traveling frequently. I love traveling so much. Have I got the travel bug? For example, I travel so much. Have I got the travel bug? If you like today's video, then make sure you like it and also let me know how many of these idioms do you know actually. And also if you want to make new sentences using these idioms, you can also do so in the comment box. I'll reply each one of you stating whether the sentences are correct or not. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and happy learning. Happy journey for your Christmas vacation.